YouTube. What's up, Tito? Back with another video. First project was pretty simple, so I got more sunlight out. Figured might as well use it. Again, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Appreciate it. So let's jump into it. We're about to upgrade the sound system in the car. Okay, I went ahead and bought me a nice little double-din Pioneer radio. Show you guys that in the video. I got all the components I'm gonna need. Show you that in the video. And again, not a mechanic. Ain't stretch the imagination. Half the time it's trial by error. Half the times I kind of have an idea. So I just have tools and the know-how. Kinda. All right, so to get started, we gotta take this whole center console out. Get to the radio. So we gotta take the shift knob off, pull the boot, and that off. Then we gotta unscrew some screws out of here, some screws out of here, and then we'll be exposed to the radio. So yeah. All right, so I went ahead and took the center console apart, got the screws out. So it's pretty much been held on by this little tag, these little prongs right here. You just lift it out, and then we're gonna get to the back of the radio, disconnect the harness off the radio, and go from there. All right, so you see the clips here. You're gonna disconnect two of those and the antenna, and actually three. The two black ones you see, and there's one white one, and then the antenna. But essentially these right here, you disconnect those. And then you unscrew the side screws to get the actual radio unit out. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, we got the radio unit out. We got the factory radio unit out. We got the new radio going in. We got the harness adapter to plug into the factory harness, so we don't gotta splice anything with that. We got the new bezel. It's supposed to take place of the old one to fit the double-din radio. And we got the antenna adapter just in case we needed it. Came with the kit. So all three of these came together. Saw mine online, eBay. You guys can check them out if you need to. So let's get to it. All right, I had to finish taking out the entire radio assembly so I can screw the new radio in. All those screws match up. Had to use the screws that came in the kit, but the factory bracket supports it. So now we're gonna deal with the wiring. This little box is supposed to keep the integrated controls on the steering wheel and all that stuff. So that's why I elected to get that. Yeah, hopefully I can follow instructions. Don't fuck nothing up. Yeah. All right, so I was able to connect the wires to the harness, and then the harness to the radio. One thing the instruction manual didn't tell you, you gotta take the blue and white amp wire and connect that to your accessory switch in order for your speakers to turn on. Other than that, then I had to use the antenna adapter. Connected my microphone right here, and I placed it right there, so it actually works. I'm gonna give you guys a test run shortly. For the DVD to work, I had to splice the DVD wire into the emergency brake wire. So that's what that is there. All right, so this is the trial of the DVD player working. You hear the sound, see the picture. I'm gonna try to find a way to bypass it because it can only play with the emergency brake on, so I'm gonna figure that out. So, yeah. All right, so right now I'm reassembling the center console and the dash. Swap over the AC controls to this aftermarket faceplate. I happen to have the same color, so I don't have to paint nothing. So you pretty much gotta unscrew the AC controls from the top and then from the bottom. Then you gotta do the same thing for the little cuppy spot here, and then pretty much good to go. So, Alright, reassembled the dash, center console. Everything is working, functional, good to go. It should start up.
At D.com/promo.
True.
Terms and conditions